Hey guys, and welcome back to Millennial Travel. I'm Blake, and oh yeah, it's just me today. Have a little bit of kind of a little different surprise for y'all today. It's not like super big. It's actually one of the smallest ones in their fleet. But today we're actually going to tour the Carnival Elation. And you see right behind me, we have the Carnival Elation. It was built in 1998. Gross tonnage is around 71,000 tonnage. It's a very small ship. 2020, it was retrofitted, and they added 30 aft balconies. Because this ship, if you look at it, not that many balconies. It's a baby ship, but people still love it and enjoy it and cruise. Just some other info for Jacksonville Port to come here is really easy to get here. But anyway, today we're just gonna go through the Elation, just talk about the great things about her, small things about her, and whatever else. See y'all in there. Hey, look at it, there she is right there. The smallest ship in the fleet.
Hey guys, it's Blake with a voiceover with Carnival Elation. You have some stats here, and we're going right to suites. This is a wonderful front-facing suite with a wonderful wide window and plenty of space for 4 people. Of course, you have the couch that does pull out to another bed, and then this one has a bed right by the window. We're going to tour next one that actually has the couch by the window instead of the bed. But imagine waking up every morning and seeing where you're going. And on to the next room, and you see me in the mirror waving and being weird. Yep. Anyway, look at this front-facing view. Imagine waking up on this couch and seeing. A lot of people prefer balconies and getting the fresh air, but with how airy and filling and open this window is, it's great. And then you come up, we're on the putting green, and you can see just a nice river. It's just nice and quiet, and the city of Jacksonville. And just panning down, you see the wonderful Lido deck with the pool, where the sailaway party is at, and you cheers your friends with drinks. And onto the Cloud9 Spa. It's wonderful for facials, haircuts, treatments. Actually, where the gym is at too, with women's and men's locker rooms. And moving on to the heart of the ship, the Atrium Bar. It's fantastic. And we have an ocean view room we're on to. Just something basic, nothing too crazy, but just showing you some of the updates that happened through 2020. And here we have just a basic balcony, nothing special, but showing you kind of what the design and how the rooms look. Because each ship is not the same. Some balcony rooms could have a bigger balcony, some could have smaller. Like this one, for instance. This is an accessibility room for anybody that is on handicap or possibly has a scooter. Has plenty of space to bring your scooter in to fit it. This also is for 4 people, so you have plenty of space to bring the grandkids or your own kids, or just space for you, and don't bring your kids at all. Has a pretty decent sized balcony, and well, we're going to go to lunch. It's time to eat.
We're actually going to sit down and get some free lunch. Brought to you by Carnival Cruise Line, the fun ship. Hey guys, so now it's lunchtime. Anyway, I just got something basic. It's a nice little salad just to keep me even. Don't want it too heavy because I do have like a 3.5 hour ride back, so it's a little bit of stress on that. But anyway, just something basic, just a salad, nothing crazy or anything. And then have some ice cream. Why not? You know, probably a cup of coffee too, honestly. But one key thing is my Brita water bottle. Well, this is the one that filters out, which on the cruise ship, the water tastes pretty clean, but this takes out all the chlorine taste. I hate chlorine taste. I mean, if you do like it, hey, better you than me. But anyway, that's about it.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so a little catch up. I'm in one of the second main dining rooms. But anyway, we went through, we saw the O2 lounge for teens. They do have one for smaller kids too. So if your parents, you have kids, they can cruise too. There's daycare for that. There is afternight daycare. It does cost a little bit more. But you know, actually the Elation, I would say, I think it's better than the Carnival Sunshine. It's more recently updated, but just cooler ship actually.
20 minutes later.
Hey guys, it's voiceover Blake again. And right here we have the Alchemy Bar. Great for a quick drink. And then we're coming out of the main dining room. We have the staff busy getting dinner ready. And moving on to the Limelight Lounge. Remember, on the Carnival Elation, there is no dive-in movie screen, so this is where you see your movies at. And then, need some espresso, Java Blue. And then don't forget cherry on top for some great sugary treats. And then finishing off with the Casablanca Casino, which if you look walking in, has great seating right by the windows just to look out and to watch the big deep blue ocean. And then plenty of gaming to do at the casino. You may win or you may lose. You just never know until you try.
Anyway, guys, that is a wrap on the Carnival Elation. Out of my standard, I would say I would definitely cruise the ship. For one, being the port. The port is so easy to get to. You just come in Jacksonville, you come in, you pull in, hey, what's up? You pay for parking, you park, and the ship is literally right there. But anyway, for now, see y'all.